Hi everyone, this is Lucy, and today in this video I will show you how to create group on Viber. Open your Viber, and here at the bottom right in the circle you will see this message icon. Click on that and you will be taken to this interface. You will be taken to this page. So you'll just need to click on this new group or community at the top. After that, select people you want to add in your group and click on this little arrow at the bottom right. So here you can edit the name of your group, and you can also add a group photo, or we can say group icon, from your gallery or your camera. So after this, you can click on this tick mark at the top right corner and you have just created a group chat in Viber. If you want to add more people in your Viber, then you can always click on this three dots located in the top right corner and go to add participants. And you can add people from here. That's it for this video. Thank you guys for watching. Like and subscribe for more videos, and I'll meet you guys in the next video.